Hi, in this 2-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of a 30 by 60 garage from Allen's Factory Outlet, how it can be customized to meet your needs and installed on your property for free. We'll also share customer testimonials to make it even more real. Let's get started. The benefits of having a 30 by 60 garage are numerous. Not only does it provide you with extensive storage for 5 vehicles, but it can also serve as a warehouse for business or a building for lifestyle. With a 30 by 60 garage, you can create the space you need for your hobbies, work, or play. But what garage contractor should you trust? Here's why Allen's Factory Outlet is your best option. Reason number 1, full customization. You can use our 3D builder to choose the color you want, the roof you want, and more features like windows, doors, and much more. That way, you can create a more comfortable and functional space for your needs. Reason number 2, free installation. Setting up a garage is an important task. At Allen's Factory Outlet, the installation is free. You save both time and money, and you get the best garage. This is our way of showing that we care. Reason number 3, hassle-free payment. You only need to pay a small deposit when you order your garage at Allen's Factory Outlet, and you pay the rest upon delivery. This means you don't have to worry about paying the full amount up front. Plus, you can have peace of mind knowing that we use only high-quality materials for our garages, which are made to order in the USA. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their garages.
I went online, found Allen's Factory Outlet, and got to play around with the CAD program and kind of saw what that was like. And it was really interesting because I didn't know what I wanted and I didn't know how much it would cost. But the benefit of that program is I got to do whatever I wanted to the program, and it would tell me where my price was at. It wasn't one of those things that was hidden until you get behind the paywall and you give them all your information. You could really, truly build the garage of your dreams that you wanted. And that's exactly what I did.
More than 12,000 customers like Eddie have had a great experience with Allen's Factory Outlet. And you could be next. Get a 30 by 60 garage today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your garage. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.